Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Erika Delgado.
All right, South Florida temperatures are on the rise. Today we're enjoying some slightly lower humidity behind a front that came through yesterday and dumped very heavy rain earlier on in the week. 85 right now in Miami, 84 Fort Lauderdale, Key Largo, all the way through the middle and lower Keys. It feels more comfortable, but it is warm, and we have a wind out of the west, so that means temperatures will be warming as we work our way into the afternoon. Still seeing a wind out of the north for the Florida Keys, anywhere between 5 to 10 miles per hour. So the moisture that was over us earlier in the week was associated with a very slow moving front that finally pushed through South Florida yesterday. That moisture, as you can see now, is over the Bahamas. A lot of thunderstorm activity still ongoing near Andros and also across areas like Eleuthera. For us here, most of the cloud cover is sitting off of the coast. We are enjoying those beautiful blue skies. Just a few clouds across the area today. All fair weather clouds, if any. We're not expecting any rain across South Florida, and really up and down the state, it's a lot more quiet than it was early on in the week. And the reason for that is the system's moving away. We have an area of high pressure that's now building into the region, bringing drier air as well. So it's a bit less humid than it was, say, yesterday and on Monday, but temperatures will be on the rise. We're sunny, we are dry with no major change heading into Thursday, which is the official start of the rainy season. You wouldn't know that, though, here in South Florida, because we are going to be bone dry. The heat will be the big story the next few days, just because temperatures will be on the rise. Tomorrow, different from today, will be a bit more humid, so you're going to feel that heat a little more. And then temperatures will continue to rise heading into the end of the week. Some spots, many spots, will already be in the low 90s, but we're thinking widespread 90s for the weekend. No advisories for boaters for Miami-Dade and Broward waters. Seas less than 2 feet. Biscayne Bay will be smooth, and so will coastal waters into the Florida Keys. Seas beyond the reef at most building 1 to 2 feet. Now, we do have low tides coming up this afternoon. That's the next tide change. 3:59 in Fort Lauderdale. 4:08 p.m. is the low tide in Miami, and Key West, your low tide will be at 6:02 p.m. So for today, super sunny, very warm and dry. A lot of us in the upper 80s. But that slightly lower humidity makes all the difference, a bit more tolerable. Tonight, we'll begin to see the moisture increasing again, moisture in the form of humidity. We'll have the chance for fog developing overnight into very early Thursday morning. Again, Thursday, the official start of the rainy season. Highs will be in the upper 80s. Then Friday, some of us in the low 90s, but with more humidity in place for the weekend, highs will reach 90. It'll feel like the hundreds. That's your 7 on 10 forecast.